Hello, this is Best Spy Live Trading. Hope you're all having a beautiful night. This is our market update video for the second week of October 2025. On October 7th, we had a pullback from all-time highs. The news on CNBC says the S&P 500 snaps a 7-day win streak, and futures are a little change after the move. It is very important to see how we will do after today's engulfing candle, as well as a pullback. We have touched the previous all-time high of 6,699 on SPX. The Russell 2000 gapped up on Friday and was holding into Monday and today, and we gap filled on the push down lower. The Invesco QQQ has pumped up to 609 and has pulled back to 603, bouncing to 604 by the end of the trading day. It is interesting to note that on the ES futures, we had 4 consecutive touches on the 20 EMA before the failure of today, and now we are hovering below the 20 EMA. The volatility index has spiked higher today from 16.13 to 17.5. We will need to see what happens into the rest of the week. We will also keep up to date with what is happening over in Nikkei. Japan has been gapping up on the daily candle. We gapped up on Monday and we are holding into Tuesday. We will see how we will do overnight. Another interesting fact to see is this data that we have from Blue Kurdic Market Insights, saying that the Nasdaq has been on 87 now straight days without a 3% drawdown from all-time highs, which is best in over 5 years. We can compare that to 2020 and 2018. We will see if there is any sort of pullback, right, that is close to 3% from the highs. 3% from the highs of QQQ 609 is about 591 to 595-ish. In another news, we have been following the stock Tesla. We rejected on the delivery numbers on Thursday of October 2nd from 470 and have fell from 470 to 416, and we have bounced from 416 to where the smart money was accumulating calls on the drop to 450. We have tested the trend line that we broke down from today at 448, 447, and we have rejected into the box that we played with last week, and we are now hovering at 436. We will see what happens with this stock into next week as earnings are coming up. We will keep it brief and simple today. I think going into tomorrow, it is very important to see whether we will retest the broken down trend line at 6,781 on ES tomorrow, or whether we will continue to test the previous HOD at 6,752 on ES going downwards. Alright, I'll see you on the next live stream tomorrow live. Goodbye.